Good morning, students. Today's session we are going to study about civics, chapter 9, citizenship. First, let us understand the meaning of citizenship and importance of citizenship, features, and acquiring method of citizenship and losing citizenship. Okay, so now let us understand the meaning of citizenship. Who is citizen of the country? Okay, so citizen is a active member of the society, or we can say he is a member of the state, or is a member of the country. That's why we say that citizen is a responsible member of the nation. Okay, or is a active member of the society or state, or we can say that he is a responsible member of the nation. And of course, these citizens entitled for the rights given by the nation, and also these citizens will have close relationship with the nation. Okay, so of course, being a citizen of the country, he can enjoy his certain freedom. At the same time, we can say that minimum living standard such as health, education, and of course some of the rights will be enjoyed by the citizens. So that is the meaning of the citizenship. So we can say that citizen is nothing but citizenship. We can say that citizenship is a member of the nation. Citizen is a member of the nation. We can say that citizen is a person, or we can say that is a member of the nation. Simply we can say that. And now let us understand what is the importance of the citizenship. Why we need a citizenship in the country? Yes. So citizenship is very important in the country because the one who live in the nation where he lives in a certain place, he can live with dignity to participate in the good administration of the government, and at the same time he can live a better life. At the same time, we can say that the citizenship is he is very important person, or in the perspective of nation, he is very important to the nation. At the same time, to the integrity, to protect the integrity and unity in the nation. So that is the importance of the citizens. And what are the features of the citizens? What are the features to get the citizenship? Or what are the features, we can ask the question. So in this, when he acquires citizenship, and he can identify himself, he belongs to the particular country, or he belongs to particular nation. Okay, so that is one of the feature. And at the same time, citizen also can enjoy certain rights, okay, given by the nation, that is which are minimum law and rules which are there. So he has to follow it. At the same time, he can enjoy his minimum rights. And citizenship also, we can understand that he can uphold the positions, okay, in the highest positions to lowest position in the country. Okay, so that is about the features of the citizenship. Okay, and what are the methods to acquire citizenship? So that methods are there. What is first method? How can he become a member of the country or citizen of the country? Some of the methods are there. Example, that first one is by birth. So any person who takes birth in any country can become the member of the country or citizen of the country. He will get the citizenship of the particular country naturally. Any person who get birth in any country, naturally he become a citizen of the country. Okay, it is very clearly understood. Once if he gets birth in that particular country, so naturally he will become the citizen of that particular country. Example, we can say that after January 26, 1950, who has born, okay, after this, So they have become, naturally they have become a member of that country in India. Okay, so that is because the reason, because it was a free India, it is being that free India enforced its own constitution. Okay, so that's why we can say that by birth one can acquire the citizenship by birth. Okay, second, by inheritance. What is by inheritance? So in this method, actually individual can get citizenship on the basis of the nationality. Okay, on the basis of nationality of his or him, and we can say that example, January 26, 1950, those who got birth and their parents are staying outside of the country. So that time, of course, they can get they can acquire the citizenship in the country. Okay, so that is based on the nationality. So that is, though they have got birth in the country, but they have stayed in the outside. They are staying outside. So that time, of course, they will get the citizenship. That is by inheritance. And next, by registration. So one can become a citizen. One can get the citizenship through the registration, through some concerned office. They have to provide particular form. Okay, so that they can register themselves and they can become a member of the country. That is through the registration. Okay, for example, those who are residing in India minimum 5 years, so they can give a certain form. Okay, so they can through their registration, so they can become a citizens of the country. And next one is by incorporation. What is by incorporation? Example, any war occurs or some country acquires some other geographical land. So that time, so the member, those who are staying in that particular place, so once some other country acquires that geographical land or through the war, so those member can become the member or citizens of the country. It means those the country which won the war or the country which won which acquired that land, so that country or winning country or victory country or nation can give the citizenship to those members who are who are there in some other country or who are actually lost, okay, in the war. Okay, so that is by acquiring geographically, or we can say that is very clearly is given by incorporation of one country geographically with another. Okay, the citizens of the country, incorporated country can be acquired. So that is about the incorporation. And what are the methods of losing citizenship? Okay, so this is methods of acquiring citizenship. This is methods of losing citizenship. Sometimes the citizens of the country will lose their citizenship or membership. Okay, so that happens how? By renunciation. What is by renunciation? By renunciation is nothing but by declaring themselves, telling that so they don't want to be a member of the country or citizens of the country. It means they declare themselves through the application, through the some of the registration form. They will submit to the office and they themselves independently, voluntarily, they renounce the citizenship. They don't want to be a member of that particular country. Okay, so that's why they give some form and they renounce themselves. They declare, okay, themselves. So they don't want to become a member of that particular country. That is called by renunciation. Renouncing. Next one is by termination. What is by termination? Some of the example, a citizen of India, okay, if any event or any securing the citizens of another country, okay, so he doesn't want to be a member of that particular country, he wanted to become a citizen of some other country, okay, so that time, so the citizenship of India will be cancel. An example, I am an Indian. I don't want to be an Indian. Now I wanted to become no foreigner, or I wanted to go to abroad or America. So there I wanted to stay. Okay. So that time the termination automatically. So where once if he goes and stays there, okay. So 5 years he doesn't want to become a member of the citizen of that particular country. He can be terminated. Okay, without expecting any application. Okay, so that is known as by termination. Okay, the citizen of India, in event of securing the citizenship of another country, so if he wantedly want to become a member of that particular country, so without any form he will be terminated. And next method losing, that is method of losing citizenship, is by deprivation. What is this deprivation? Deprivation nothing but, so once the member or the citizen of the country is there for the welfare of the nation, so he should not involve in any antisocial activities, or he should not go unlawfully against to the constitution. In case if he wants to get, or he wanted to acquire citizenship through, unlawfully, or he wanted to he is participating in any antisocial activities, such time, so by deprivation, so the citizenship will be cancelled. The citizenship will be cancelled. So this is known as deprivation. So he should not be involved in any antisocial activities, or he should not get the citizenship unlawfully against the constitution. So these are some of the methods losing the citizenship. Okay, so this is about the citizenship of the citizenship lesson. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can clarify in the next class. Okay, thank you.